paint every gorgeous hue. It's no surprise they're taking over everything that I say and do. I'm gonna rise at dawn with no clothes on and color on my skin. Colors of life and love from heaven above absolve me of my sin. I would wear them like a nightgown, but they're getting kinda worn down. I took the factory tour, it really opened the door, and I at once became transfixed. I know the pieces of wax, but I can never relax without my box of 96. I love you vivid violet, I love you robin's egg blue, I love you screaming green and purple mountain majesty too. I really love my babies, I really love my babies. I love my crayons and I love the way they taste. Crayola, Crayola song.